We're excited to announce at rentthebash.com we have an automatic balloon inflator available for rent. This machine can inflate up to 40 balloons in 40 seconds. I'm going to demonstrate how that works. You'll take the tubes. Each balloon set comes with tubes that are tied there. That's how the air flows through the balloons. What you'll do is you'll take the balloons and you'll stick them through the holes they have set here in the machine. And you'll press this button here to get them blown up. The next thing you'll want to do is pull them out. These balloons are great space fillers or can be filled with helium. We wouldn't recommend using them in garlands. We've tried them in columns and arches. Wouldn't say it saves as much time since you will have to cut the tube to fit them in the slits of the balloon rings. But overall, these are great balloons, like I said before. They fill up fast, you can fill space with them, and the great thing is you can order this automatic balloon inflator at rentthebash.com for your next party.